Understanding, Echoing the Feelings, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, echoing the feelings. This phrase can be a bit abstract if you're learning English, but it's widely used in both written and spoken language. Our goal is to demystify it and help you use it confidently. Let's dive in. Echoing the feelings refers to the act of expressing emotions or sentiments that mirror or reflect those of another person. It's as if your feelings are the echo of someone else's emotions, bouncing back in a similar form. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where one person strongly relates to or shares the emotional experience of another. To better understand this concept, let's look at some examples. In empathy, when a friend is sad about losing a pet, and you feel their sadness as if it were your own, you're echoing their feelings. In agreement, if someone expresses frustration about a social issue and you find yourself feeling the same frustration, you're echoing their feelings. In literature and media, characters in stories or movies might echo the feelings of others to show connection or understanding. Now, let's learn how to incorporate this phrase into your own sentences. Listening to her speak about her struggles, I found myself echoing her feelings of hopelessness. The audience echoed the feelings of the protagonist, feeling joy and sorrow right alongside them. He wrote a letter that perfectly echoed my feelings about the situation, making me feel understood. Understanding and using echoing the feelings can deepen your emotional connection with others. It helps in empathizing with someone's experiences, expressing solidarity or agreement, enhancing communication by showing that you share similar emotions or viewpoints. Echoing the feelings is a powerful phrase that captures the essence of shared emotions and experiences. It's a beautiful aspect of human connection and empathy. We hope this video has illuminated its meaning and encouraged you to use it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communicating the depth of human experience. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!